how to check unknown color on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check any unknown color on iPhone. So let's get started. First, you can use iPhone built-in feature. Open the phone app and go to recent. Now from here, if you see any unknown number, tap to see if Apple can provide your caller info. Simply from there, you can confirm it. As usual, you can enable the feature silence unknown callers. For that, open settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From apps, find out the application phone and tap on that. Now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find out the option for silence unknown callers. Simply tap on that. Now from here, simply tap and turn on that. After you turn on this, call from the unknown numbers will be silent and sent to your voicemail as it will display on the recent list. And at last, you can use the caller ID apps like Truecaller or Haya install from the App Store and give necessary permission. After that, they will identify most unknown numbers. And that's it. These are the ways you can check unknown caller on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.